Good morning, dear students. Welcome to 6th class, General Science. Now, in this class, we discuss about do magnets lose their properties? Do magnets lose their properties? You say the answer yes. Yes, magnets are lose their properties. When does the magnets are lose their properties? Okay, these magnets are to lose their magnetic properties by first one, the magnets are heated. Okay, magnets are heated. They are heated. At that time, these magnets are lose their properties. First one is heated. The magnets are heated. Next one is second one is magnets are heated with, they are heated with hammer. Okay, second one is the magnets are heated with hammers. Hit with hammers. Magnets are hit with magnets to lose their magnetic properties. Next one, third one is magnets are dropping from certain height. Okay, magnets are drop. They are dropping from certain height. Okay, first one is heated. Next one hit with hammers. Third one is dropping from height. In these three situations, situation one, the magnets are heated. The magnets are heated with hammer, and magnets are dropping from certain height. In these three situations, the magnets are to lose their magnetic properties. And also, these magnets are placed at near computers. They are placed at near to mobile phones or cell phones. They are placed at near to DVD players, CD players, and so on, etc. Those magnets are to lose their properties. Okay, the magnets are placed at near to computers, near to cell phones, near to DVD players, and so on, etc. Magnets are to lose their magnetic properties, and also those objects are affected by magnetic field. So this computer, it get affected by the magnetic field of a magnet. Cell phones are also can affected by magnetic field of a magnet, and DVD players also can affected by magnetic field of a magnets. Okay, next one is improper storage. Improper storage can also cause for to destroy the properties of magnets. Okay, improper storage can also cause for to destroy the properties of a magnets. So in all those situations, the magnets are to lose their properties. So that's why these magnets are to keep carefully in a boxes. Okay, these magnets are always keep in a box as space. So in case of a Bohr magnets, these two Bohr magnets are stored in a box with paste. So this is a Bohr magnet. This is another Bohr magnet. These two Bohr magnets. So magnets are always to keep in paste. Okay, this is a pair of a Bohr magnets. Their opposite poles, that is unlike poles, they are present at the same side. Okay. Now you keep the pair of Bohr magnets. Their unlike poles they are present at the same side, and these two Bohr magnets are separated with a wooden piece. Separated with wooden piece. Separated with wooden piece. And now, and we use that to soft iron rods. Pieces, they are placed at their ends of a Bohr magnets. Okay, this is that one piece of a soft iron. This is that another piece of a soft iron. Okay, friends, two pieces of soft irons, they are placed across their ends of a Bohr magnets. The ends of a magnets. Okay, friends, first one, the magnets always to keep in pace. Their unlike poles are present at the same sides. These two magnets can be separated by wooden piece, and two pieces of soft irons they are put across their ends of a Bohr magnet. Next one, in case of a horseshoe magnet, a single piece of soft iron is placed at the ends of a poles of a horseshoe magnet. Okay, friends, this is a horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. This is the horseshoe magnet. Use a single soft iron, a single piece of a soft iron is placed across the ends of a horseshoe magnet. Okay, Amma? Therefore, hence the magnets are to lose their properties, to avoid to lose off their properties. They are keeping very carefully. Okay, how we take the proper actions to carefully to keep the magnets. The magnets are to keep in pace. Okay, their opposite poles, that is unlike poles, are present at the same side, and two magnets are separated by wooden piece, and their ends they are put in the soft iron rods. A soft iron pieces are put across their ends of a two magnets. Okay, next one, in case of a horseshoe magnet, we use a single soft iron. is put at the across the poles of a Earth's magnets. Okay, Amma? Thank you.